Good morning kids and welcome back to your math class. So kids, as you know that in our previous class we have studied the subtraction and we have find the difference. So same today we will have we will solve some sums. So that will help you to get a answer. So kids, now here what it is, 294 minus 168. So this is your problem. Now first you draw here 4 ones in ones place. 1 2 3 4. In tens place 9 tens. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 200s 1 2. So now what you are going to write, from 4 you cannot subtract 12, from 4 you cannot subtract 8. So for that what you will do, you will take carry from 9 to 1. From 9 is in which place? Tens place. So 1 10 you will give to 1 place. So here 10, this first 4 you write 1 2 3 4. Now you have taken 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now from 9 you have given 1 to 4, it became 14. Now what here remaining? 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now from 2 is as it is 2. 1 2. So from 14 you will subtract now 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 you have subtracted. What's remaining? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So write here 6. Now from 9 you have given 1 to this, then what remaining? 8. So 8, from 8 you are going to subtract 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 are remaining, and from 2 you are going to subtract 1. So only 1 is remaining. Now see here, I will show numerically. From tens place you have given 1 10 to 1's place. 1 10 to 1's place means 14, and here will become 8. So 14 minus 8, answer is 6. 8 minus 6, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Isn't it? Now same the second sum. Yesterday in our previous class we have solved this. So same now today we are solving it. 555. So all in 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So from 5 you are going to subtract 555. You are going to subtract 229. So now you find 5. From 5 you cannot subtract 9. So you take 110 from 10. Tens place 110 you taken, what will become here? 15. So 15 you draw. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So from 5 you have give 1 to this 5. So here it became 15. From this 5 1 has been gone. 4 is remaining. So here you draw 4. 1 2, 3, 4. Here you draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is remaining? 6 is remaining. From 4 you subtract 2. 1, 2. Only 2 is remaining. So from 5 2 you are subtracting, 3 is remaining. 326. Okay, like this you have to solve this. Now again we will find the second one, difference. Find the difference. 643 minus 215. So from 3 you cannot subtract 5. So you borrow from next number. So 4 is there. From 4 tens you will get 1 here in tens place. So 3 as it is above. From 4 1 tens is subtracted. What will remain? 3. So 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. The answer is 8. 3 minus 1. 2. 8 minus 6 minus 2. 4. Okay, now same the next one. Tens, hundreds, ones. 752 minus 427. 2 is here 12. 5 is here 4. Why? Because you have given 1 to a 12 ones place. 1 10 you have given to ones place. Then how many tens are remaining here? 4. 12 minus 7. How much is remaining? 5. 4 minus 2. 2. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. 3. Okay, now here same here. 450 minus 328. 450. So now 450 is there. Here 0 what will become? 10, because 1 you borrow from 5. 4. 10 minus 8. 2. 4 minus 2. 2. 4 minus 3. 1. Here same. 1000 tens ones. 671 234. So 1 is there here. So from 1 you can subtract 4? No. So here will be 11, because here will be 6. 11 minus 4. Your answer is how much? 7. 6 minus 3. 3. 6 minus 2. 4. Okay. Now here 893 minus 457. So 3 you cannot subtract. So you will be 13, because 9 will be here 8. 13 minus 7. Your answer is 6. 8 minus 5. Your answer is 3. 8 minus 4. 4. Your answer is 4. 562 minus 245. 2 will become here what? 12. 6 will become what here? 5. 12 minus 5. Your answer is 7. 5 minus 4. Your answer is 1. 5 minus 2. Your answer is 3. Now next page number. Find the difference. Again it is also same. So 613 minus 208. So you can't subtract 3 from 8. So you borrow from here. Here will remain 0. 1 if you go to a next number, here will be. From 0 you minus, from 1 you minus 1 will remain 0. So from here 1 will be taking here 1. So it will become 13. 13 minus 8, your answer is 5. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. Okay, like this you have to solve this. Now here from 5 you cannot subtract 6, isn't it? So what you do? 735 minus 516. So 5 will become here 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 3 here. From 3 you have given here. So what will remain? 2. From 2 minus 1, 1, 7 minus 5, 2. Okay, like this you have to solve this. 843 minus 117. So from 3 you cannot subtract 7. So what will be here? 13. 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7, answer is 6. 4 minus 1, your answer is, your number will be 3. 3 minus 1, your difference is 2. 8 minus 1, your difference is 7. Okay, now same way. Now next one, you 473 minus 108. So from 3 can you subtract 8? No. So what you will do? You borrow from tens place. So 110 will become 13 here. 6. Why? Because from so many we have given 1 to a ones place. 13 minus 8. 5. 6 minus 0. 6. 4 minus 1. 3. Isn't it? Now here from 3 you cannot subtract 7. So for that what we will do? We will take 1 from this. So from here 1 you give here. Here what remains? 0. So this 3 will come upside. 13 minus 7. 6. 0 minus 0. 0. 4 minus 1. 3. Your answer is 306. Now here again same. 894 minus 888. So from 4 you cannot subtract 8. So from 8 you take carry here. You write 8 here as it is. 1 you take 4. 4 14. 14 minus 8. 6. Okay. From 8 you can subtract 8. Yes or no? 8 minus 8. If here is 9, you need to take borrowing from here. But here 8 is there. 8 can subtract easily. 8 minus 8, answer is 0. 8 minus 8, 0. So answer is only 6. What is remaining? 6. So kids, this remaining difference we will solve in our next class. Till that, have a nice day. Take care kids.